You have to log in.
Oh, who's this? Oh yeah.
Wrestling by Coach Moo.
Wait up!
You looked at that.
I'm sorry, it just went off. Sorry.
What? I didn't. Alright.
It's pretty cold, so basketball works. Oh, brother. This guy stinks.
Good morning, Central Crossing, and welcome to Tuesday.
Good morning, Benjamin.
Buenos dias, Miguel.
Great weather we're having, huh?
Right. What can you tell us, Kylie?
Good morning, Comets. Welcome to your weather segment. And as you might have seen, it snowed yesterday. And if you drive, your car might have been covered in some lovely frost, snow, or both. So lovely when you walk outside, get in your car, can't see through your windshield, and have to scrape it off. Anyways, our high for today is 35 and our low is a chilly 21. Right now it is 25 degrees outside, but it feels like 12 due to the wind chill. We will have winds of 10 to 15 miles per hour throughout the day, and it'll be mostly cloudy, but with more snow showers expected throughout this morning. Well, that's all I have for you today. Back to you, anchors.
Snow in March is what I live for.
No one wants snow in March, psychopath.
Well, did you know that 2 + 2 = 4?
I did.
Did you know that makes you automatically smarter than a 5th grader?
Wow, that might be the nicest thing you have ever said to me.
Jordan, how smart are 5th graders?
Who am I here with? Christina Davis. Are you smarter than a 5th grader? I hope. If I have 5 apples and you have 4 apples, how many more apples do I have? 1. Good job. Who am I here with?
Saeed.
Are you smarter than a 5th grader?
Yep.
Which language is most widely spoken in South America?
Portuguese.
Close?
Brazilian.
Close, I guess.
Is it English?
No.
Spanish?
Yes.
I was close enough.
Yep. Who am I here with?
Julius Rodriguez.
Are you smarter than a 5th grader?
No.
Oh, okay. A hexagon has how many sides?
6.
Good job. Who am I here with?
Arison.
Are you smarter than a 5th grader?
I think so.
Who fought in the Revolutionary War?
The what?
The Revolutionary War.
George Washington, right?
Well, what 2 sides fought?
Great Britain and America.
Good job.
Thanks, Jordan.
Today, we definitely have a lot of congrats to set out.
Lots of our comments had amazing wins this past weekend. We shared some yesterday, but since the show went out late, we thought we would share them again.
First up, our NJRCC drone team competed in an all-star drone competition consisting of 15 teams from 4 states, including 3 teams from Chicago, to end this year's drone season. The varsity team is consisting of sophomores. Evan Whaley, Jaden Alberty, German Pariah, and Big Joe Gillette were not phased. Overall, our drone team finished up in 3 of the 4th events by a large margin and a close second in the 4th event, competing in a regional team championship.
The JV team placed in top 3 in 2 of the varsity events. Drone commander Michael Bradford did an amazing job getting the teams ready through hours of practice. Tryouts will be in April for next year's team. Great job, NJRTC, performing in true Comet fashion.
Plus, our engineering students competed in the 3rd annual Central Ohio Mini Bridge Building Competition this year. The event was held at the Franklin County Engineers main office in Columbus and hosted 11 different shows. Take a look.
As you can see, students were tasked with constructing a balsa wood bridge within a 3-hour time frame. Judging was based on a strength-to-weight ratio. Each team was able to complete the construction of their bridge and learn valuable time management, team collaboration, and networking skills. Great job, future engineers.
Wow, so much going on this weekend. Our Winter Garden Indoor Percussion Ensemble were also competing. This past Sunday, Winter Garden placed first in their class and Indoor Percussion placed second in theirs. Great job and good luck to both of you on your season.
Next up, we have some congrats going out to our very own senior Anna Sinyuk. Anna's work, Modern Childhood, Done in Oils, will be exhibited at the Governor's Show in Rhodes Tower in April. This is a significant honor. Anna will be continuing her art career at Columbus School of Art and Design. Great job, Anna.
Now, let's run down what else is going on.
First, we have club information. Take a look.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens, but no one seems to hear a thing?
So, get involved this week. Make some friends.
Here's another way to have some fun. Go to France. Here is some amazing news for any former French class students who are no longer taking French class. If you are a sophomore or junior interested in traveling to France with Madame Bosworth in June 2025, stop by room 110 to pick up a handout. At that point, she'll explain all the details. Again, that is room 110. How much fun would it be to discover romantic France?
I'd love to go with you, Ben.
Me too. Well, next up, we've got all the Comet Olympics information.
The date is this Thursday between periods 2 and 3, and the event lasts about 2 hours. Remember, if you are a lockout student, the bells are significantly different. See the Cafe TVs for the exact bell schedule.
Comet Olympic tickets are on sale at the activities window for only $3. Plus, you can get a class t-shirt in room 162 for only $12. Also, in room 170, you can get a Comet Blue t-shirt for only $6. You sophomores, this is a great deal.
And then, the day before Comet Olympics, tomorrow, Crazies is calling all Comets. They're hosting a decorating party after school until 4:30 to get each grade section ready for Comet Olympics. See Dr. Fuller in room 225 with any questions.
Plus, at Comet Olympics, Student Council is sponsoring a toiletry drive. Grade levels will compete for whose class can bring in the most toiletry items. The winning class gets points towards their Comet Olympic scores this Thursday. This is a great way for the juniors to take over the seniors.
But, so far, the freshmen are in the lead for the toiletries. Watch out, sophomores. The freshmen are coming for you.
Now, we've got some senior news.
Seniors, we've only received 63 senior quotes and votes for superlatives. Get those in before you leave for spring break.
Now, I think it's about time we get into some sports news.
Tell us more about that, Rosa and Michelle.
Hey, Comets.
Happy Tuesday.
There's only 2 more days left until spring break.
And I personally can't wait.
That means we're closer to summer.
It sure doesn't feel like summer, though.
Let's hope the weather gets better soon.
I can't wait for summer sports.
Well, let's see what we have for sports now.
Tomorrow we have freshman JV and varsity baseball playing against Westerville Central High School. Freshmen and JV play away at 5, and varsity at home at 5 as well.
Now, let's see what we have for this week.
On Friday, we have girls JV softball playing at home against London City High School at 5:15.
And finally, on Saturday, boys varsity baseball play away against Olentangy Berlin High School at 12 p.m.
As well as boys freshman and JV baseball play at home against Olentangy at 12.
Now, let's talk about cheerleading.
If you're interested in trying out for football cheer next week, listen up. You must fill out a Google form so Coach K can collect teacher evaluations. Scan the QR code here or on one of the posters around the school. This must be submitted before next Thursday. Reminder, clinics have started and go through Wednesday 4 to 6 in the Aux Gym, and tryouts are after school this Thursday in the Aux Gym.
Well, that's all for today, Comets.
Have a terrific Tuesday.
Back to you, anchors.
Thanks, Rosa and Michelle.
Now, please rise for the pledge. The pledge stands for so many things in our country and shows another way to support all those who fought for us. Here's Anna to lead us.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, Anna, and thank you to all who participated.
All right, Central, that's all we have for you today.
Ben, why did the snow cross the road?
Why?
To frost up the roads, boy!
I guess that was a decent joke.
It wasn't.
It wasn't. Bye.
If I could take you up in paradise up above, if you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life would be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again.